Hi, I'm Liang from Conmart. I'm standing before New Munich Trade Fair Center. This year, Bauma 2019 is the biggest construction machinery trade show in the world. The total exhibition space is 614,000 square meters, attracting 4,000 exhibitors from all the world. Among them are nearly 400 exhibitors from China. I know you will be all very excited. Let's go in and check it out.
Right now, we have maybe focus the cane product in the Europe markets. We also the most is the excavator, and also we have a pot machinery, and also we have a crown crane and many kind of maybe crown crane is focused on the Turkey market.
They heavily invested in this market for more than 10 years. So today we bring all the full range of somewhat mini and middle size excavators to here to the exhibitions to welcome all the potential dealers and customers to check and see somewhat machines.
One of the highlights of our show is the teleoperation system based upon 5G mobile network technology. So basically, our machine is located in South Korea, while the operator is operating the machine remotely in Munich.
Today is the first day of Bauma Trade Fair, and please let me know that which company you would like to get to know more about them. Leave your message on our Facebook. I will choose the ideas and show you. See you soon.